Life is the path that you make it.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, a life destroyed. Until I woke awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can
What's going on, everybody? It is your boy Afro Sniper X, back in the Easy for Sheezy with another one, guys. Heck yeah, we are out here in Utah for another competition. Let me tell you guys, it is going down. Heck yeah. So enough talking, let's get right into it, guys. And before we do that, actually, big shout out to Donnie FL for supplying the hoodie. Heck yeah, it's keeping me warm. All right, y'all, let's do it.
Now we got one of my favorite shooters right here.
Good morning.
Good morning, man. Got the bottle, you got the chair, he's all prepared.
I can see the guns.
Any words you want to say to the people before you win?
Sucks to be me.
Cameron in the building.
What's up?
What up? What up?
It's cold.
It is very cold, man.
I think I've said that 400 times today and it hasn't made it any warmer.
Man.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
So how you doing this morning, bro?
Doing pretty good. Just finished up bench.
Feel pretty good about it. Kind of mid 220s. But
Nice.
there's a lot of really good cards out there. It'll be interesting to see.
Hell yeah. Did you get in finals?
Yep. Yeah.
I don't even know why I asked. I figured that.
Yeah. So just finished shooting finals.
Okay.
And then we're getting ready for speed.
Nice. Yeah. That's that.
Yep.
That's that infamous setup right there.
So.
Yeah.
Good.
man. So what kind of what you shooting today? What pellets?
25 caliber Kings. 25
Nice.
grains.
Okay.
So.
Sweet. FX.
JSB, whatever.
Do you notice any difference, or are they the same?
Not really. It's batch to batch.
Okay. Do you weigh your pellets and all
Not
that
for
good stuff?
speed. RMAC I will for bench. So that's about it. Too lazy.
What about lubricating your pellets or anything like that?
Not too much. Yeah. Just shoot them out of the can.
Okay.
So right here.
All right. Heck yeah. Well, we wish you the best of luck, man. Appreciate you.
Covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Tape my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around me. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe.
Stay here. In second place, we got Matt Stebbins.